use. This is the Haloview BT10 wireless 1080p rear view mirror, dash cam, and backup camera system. The wireless signal can reach up to 65 feet, but it is recommended that vehicles that are 42 to 65 feet long consider purchasing the 10 meter or the 12 meter antenna extension cable and place it on the top of the roof to avoid image freezing. The BT10 mounts directly onto your existing rearview mirror, and it comes with rubber straps so you don't have to worry about any adhesives or drilling to get the monitor and the front-facing dash cam set up. Now I'm going to pause the unboxing for just a moment so I can discuss some other features of the monitor and dash cam. When it's not being used, you can still use it as a mirror. You can see yourselves right now. I want you to tell yourselves, you is smart, you is kind, and you is important. That's right. Now I'm going ahead and put that down so I don't break it. We do have the power button just here. Next to that, we have our pairing button, which I didn't need, by the way. I was able to set it up without any problems. This button can also be used for the camera night light. Next to that, we have our screen off button, so you can turn off the monitor and maybe use it as an actual mirror while everything is still recording. The next button allows you to change the format. To be honest, I don't really understand any format stuff, so don't ask me any questions about that, but I'll let you know it got a button right there. And then next to that, we actually have the mirror flip switch, so you are able to flip the image. And we do have our camera just here. It can be adjusted to work around your current rearview mirror. And then this also can be moved around to get the angle that you want for the front facing camera. At the top here, we have where our DC power supply goes. This is the slot for your SD memory card. It does come with 64 gigs, which can record about 10 hours of footage. You can upgrade up to 128, which will give you about 20 hours of footage. When the camera and the monitor are powered on, it is touchscreen, which is pretty cool. You are able to scroll up or down in order to get to the menu. Once in the menu screen, you have the option of pairing the device, changing the parking lights for the backup camera, reviewing the video that you have recorded, and you also have the option of removing the memory storage using a device that can read micro SD cards and reviewing or saving the footage on a computer. Some other features of the touchscreen monitor include going from camera 1, the front facing camera, or the backup camera, or having both images. The camera does come with a built-in microphone. You can power that on and off, or changing things like the language, the volume, the brightness of the monitor, and a few other things. Now let's get back to the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll also get 3 antennas, 2 for the monitor, 1 for the backup camera. Haloview will provide you with 2 separate power cables. One is going to be for a cigarette lighter, and the other one I will show you momentarily. Both are 3.5 meters or a little under 11.5 feet. The wireless backup camera also captures and records in 1080p. And here I'm trying to show you with the wireless backup camera, you can actually change the position of the camera, but I'm struggling. It also comes with a bracket and gasket for mounting and waterproofing. We have some additional accessories here to help with organizing and hiding the wires, as well as cleaning your monitor screen. As I mentioned earlier, they do provide you with 2 different power cables. This one is the Type-C to DC power cable. Next up out of the box is the pairing cable. I did not need this during the installation process, but it's included. This is the camera conversion cable. This is what's needed to get power to the wireless backup camera. Do note, however, this is only used if you don't have a pre-wired RV. If you have a pre-wired RV, this is going to be the power adapter that is used. Last but not least, coming out of the box, we have our connectors for our electric wiring, as well as the mounting screws.